Are you thinking of a saving app to use? Piggyvest and Cowrywise are the two top saving apps that pay interest for saving. In this video, we are going to compare between Piggyvest and Cowrywise saving apps, which have the highest interest rate and saving plans. Let's get started.
If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, please do not forget to leave a comment, share this video, and watch to the end for a giveaway.
DoSuggest.
Piggyvest is the first online saving and investment app in West Africa. Piggyvest first launched as piggybank.ng on the 17th of January 2016 as a saving platform. For 3 years, Piggyvest offers only savings to their users. Then in April 2019, Piggyvest rebranded to Piggyvest and began to offer direct investment opportunities to their users in adding to savings. 5 years now, Piggyvest continued to deliver excellent services to over 4 million users, helping them manage their finance with simplicity and transparency. Users save and invest billions of naira every month in Piggyvest. Cowrywise. Cowrywise is a saving and investment platform developed to equip individuals with the required tools to make personal finance management a lifestyle. Also, it is built not only to make periodic saving and investment easy, but it is also to enable monitoring of savings, investment, and net worth. Over the past years, Cowrywise has positioned itself as a digital-first wealth management platform for the young generation of Nigeria and Africa, built to access savings and invest in products. Cowrywise saving plans: regular saving, emergency plan, saving circle, hala saving. Piggyvest saving plans: piggy bank, flex naira, flex dollar, save log, target. Piggyvest interest rate: 10% per annum on piggy bank, up to 13% per annum on save log, 9% per annum on target, 8% per annum on flex naira, 7% per annum on flex dollar, up to 25% on investify.
If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, please do not forget to leave a comment, share this video, and watch to the end for a giveaway.
Kindly note that interest rates are subject to change at any time based on the market condition. Piggy bank interest is accrued daily on your balance and pay monthly, available from 1st of every month. Save log interest is paid upfront into the flex account and you can access it immediately for free. Target saving interest is accrued daily on your target dashboard and is paid at the end of your target. Cowrywise interest rate: for 3 months, 5.50 per annum. For 6 months, 6.50 per annum. For 9 months, 7.50 per annum. For 1 year, 8.50 per annum. Also, the interest rate is based on how the market is performing at a given time.
DoSuggest.
Hope this video help you get understanding of how Piggyvest and Cowrywise interest rate and saving plan. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.
If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, please do not forget to leave a comment, share this video, and watch to the end for a giveaway.